Hello and welcome back to TKs Bar. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making an orange and elderflower margarita. So I just kind of wanted to make something fun today, and I really wanted to make a margarita, even though I'm probably going to be making some more margaritas in the very near future. If you have any recommendations on margaritas you want me to make, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, so this is going to be a little experimental. It's going to be a little fun. I just felt like a margarita, and I've got this really cool liqueur over here, which is St. Germain's Elderflower liqueur, that I wanted to try, and I went, that might be good in a margarita, so that's what we're gonna do today. So we'll get straight into it, starting with our shaker tin. So I just got a brand new tequila, which is the 1800 Reposado, and I'm really excited to use it. You could use a Blanco tequila for this. You can honestly use whatever tequila you want for this, but we're just gonna start with an ounce. Now obviously you could put more if you wanted, but I'm gonna be using a couple different liqueurs in this, so I wanna just keep it at an ounce right now. Then I'm going to do a full ounce of our lime juice. And then I'm going to do half an ounce of our triple sec to give a little bit of that orange flavor. So half an ounce of our triple sec. Then half an ounce of our elderflower liqueur. Then just for a little tiny added bit of sweetness, I'm just gonna put a quarter of an ounce of our elderflower cordial in there. And again, if you don't have that much of a sweet tooth, I would omit this completely and just work with the liqueurs that you had. Perfect, then we're just gonna throw some ice in here, give it a quick shake, and then strain it in. Now, obviously, margaritas, if you haven't checked out my first margarita video, I would suggest it. It's not one of my best, but it still will be linked in this corner right here. But you have to give your margarita a rim, and normally we do a salt rim for that. Just right now, because I've got an orange beside me, I'm gonna use that to rim the edge, but you could use a lime if you want. So I'm just gonna slide my little orange here around the outside. And then I've got some salt on a plate here, and I'm just gonna dip this in. Perfect. Now we're just gonna fill this with ice and strain our drink in. Then we're just gonna double strain our drink into here. And then we'll just garnish this up with a quarter of an orange peel. Just on the side there. And beautiful. Okay, so the last thing we have to do is just give this a little taste. I just got all salt in my mouth. I didn't even get to taste the drink, so I'm gonna give it one more taste. Yeah, now that I finally actually tasted the drink, it's really, really good. You get a bit of that tequila, so you can still taste that flavor of the margarita, but there's a bit of the sweetness from the elderflower and then also the orange. I wouldn't say necessarily that you get a lot of that orange flavor coming through, and in fact, I wouldn't broadcast this as like an orange margarita. You taste the elderflower definitely, and you taste the tequila, obviously it's a margarita, but I definitely don't think that you taste as much of the orange. But as an elderflower margarita, I would say it's pretty damn good. It's sweet, but not too sweet. I really like it. The only thing that I would say that I would do different next time is only give a half salt rim, but that's my own personal preference, so if that's not for you, that's not for you. But yeah. So if you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Also, if you want to, you can totally hit the bell as well so that you get notified when I put out a new video, which will be on Thursdays. Other than that, if you want to, I would love if you commented down below if you've got a drink recommendation, if you've tried any of these drinks that I'm making lately, and you like them or you didn't like them or you tried a variation of them. I would love to hear you guys' feedback down below. Other than that, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!